I'm Dr. Terrie van Alstyne, and I'm going to show you how to make a healing soup. Healing for the entire body and for the liver. I'm just doing a half recipe. It's half of a leek. So with leeks, you need to trim off the dark green leaves because they're quite bitter. And you cut it in half and you rinse out all of the leaves right to the bottom, to the base, so that there's no sand left in there. And just slicing. Normally we would be using a parsley root and a celery root, but I was not able to find them for this recipe. So we're just using the leaves instead of the parsley and the stalks of the celery. And you can use the leaves of the celery as well. They're excellent for the soup. These are organic Pemberton potatoes. Potatoes are very healing for the digestive tract, the small and large intestines. Putting in 3 cloves of garlic, or the equivalent. So fresh tomatoes are excellent in this liver healing soup, but I'm using organic canned tomatoes, which are also fine. So now I'm adding in some vegetable stock that I made. During the week I keep all the vegetable cuttings in a Ziploc bag in the fridge. So I boiled them down from, quite a full pot of water down to about half. And now I'm straining that into this healing soup. It adds a lot of flavor rather than buying the pre-made stock, vegetable stock. And the problem with the vegetable stock cubes is that they contain MSG. And MSG is a neurotoxin. So it short circuits the neurons in the brain. We want to be avoiding it. It's hidden in a lot of foods and with a lot of different labels. So we're going to bring this to a boil and boil it and simmer it once it comes to a boil for 1.5 to 2 hours.